Rain is going to be the more widespread issue. Initially this morning, temperatures are just cold enough that we're seeing some indication of mixed precipitation. A winter weather advisory is in effect until 8 a.m. through a good portion of Worcester County here. For much of your Route 2 travel, watch for this pocket of ice and snow that could lead to slick roadways. And then as you move into New Hampshire as well, we have that winter weather advisory in effect. You can see here as we look overhead, temperatures from Boston moving southward are actually through the 40s. So it's just plain old rainfall moving through, although it is intensifying. As you move from Worcester north, those temperatures in the low to mid 30s are just cold enough for that rain to start to freeze on the surface, especially for those overpasses. So heads up for that. As I take you in here, you can see how the area of freezing rain is now extending northward. So spots like Keene, New Hampshire, which we're seeing just light snow earlier this morning, is now starting to see that change over to freezing rain. And that's pushing its way into Manchester, New Hampshire, and up toward Concord as well. So this area of freezing rain will continue to shift north, shifting the snow north. But as that shift continues, we'll start to bring in heavier rainfall from the south northward as well. So the concern here through later this morning is that these areas of downpours initially in Connecticut will start to shift and pivot its way toward much of our region. And that's a concern through late this morning into early this afternoon. Very poor travel, wet roadways, as this downpour will start to push through the area and really become rather widespread, especially moving south of Boston. Now, as we move toward this afternoon in the late afternoon hours and early evening, we're watching the forecast for the Patriots game. At that point, the worst of the widespread downpours is north, but still some pockets of showers in place will keep us wet and keep us incredibly windy. The wind actually intensifies as we move through the forecast tonight and eventually will cool us down. A good slug of moisture here. Some models indicating over an inch to an inch and a half. So this is a heavy rainfall at times. We're at 41 with light rainfall in Boston as we inch toward that sunrise, although not much sun is expected. 30s north and west of the city, 40s to the south. But you'll see here as we move toward the south this afternoon, temperatures are actually climbing through the 50s, so a bit warmer down that way. But the wind intensifies as those temperatures pick up. We have a wind advisory in effect with wind gusts near 50 miles per hour on the Cape. You can see that as we move toward this afternoon, the wind intensifies, but more so as we head toward tonight. In fact, in the overnight hours, there's those wind gusts picking up in Provincetown over 50 miles per hour. So for the Patriots game, I expect very wet and windy conditions for tailgating. But for the kickoff, breezy showers. It's not going to be as widespread, those downpours, but still wet, and you need those ponchos for sure. Sunshine returns for the start of your week. Good for travel Monday, Tuesday, but Wednesday, another storm system will bring not only rain, but wind as well. For Storm Team 5, I'm meteorologist Kellyanne Chickalise.